What up, jackasses? So right now we outside. We're just taking out some air out the tires. It's fine, it's fine. We edited this shit out. Don't worry about it. We're gonna race the G82 tonight. E40 off the shelf versus the X3M. That's what we're working with. And if I lose, we're gonna be racing that versus the G82. This one's on a custom tune E50 by ABP with the downpipe and midpipe. And the other one is off the shelf E30 BM3 or E50. I'm not sure. It really don't matter. But this shit is clean though. We're gonna be outside. So I'm gonna pick it back up probably when we're all together and we're gonna see what happens, y'all. I gotta get the light and I'm gonna change the lens. That's why it looks so dark.
Come on, bro. What are we doing today?
Yeah, so basically, we're gonna be finding little kids, stuffing them in the trunks.
What did he say?
Alright, we got 2 cars, candy in both, free Wi-Fi, all type of shit.
So we got, what car is this?
This is the G85 M5. That's the X5 M35.
Type shit. But I got a question for you. I know you're probably gonna cut this off, right?
Do my tire change.
No, hold on. Fuck your tire change.
Tire change, nigga.
But can you promise not to cut this? Why your broke ass has not fixed the headlight?
What's wrong with my headlight?
Does it give you like extra horsepower or what?
What is it?
The water?
Nigga, cause they fucking leaked my super coolant from my engine to the headlight by accident. Nigga, they slipped the hose. Instead of the blinkers, they put the blinker fluid, they switched it to the coolant fluid.
Oh, you're talking about the turbo fluid?
Yeah.
Ah.
The bottle and the kebabs. Oh, I just fucked up my combobulator too.
So hold on. What's your verdict? Like real talk.
Real talk? Combobulator's fucked up. Real shit.
The combobulator?
Super fucked up.
So what do you think? You're gonna gap the shit out of him? Or like he's gonna
so I'm gonna tell you how it's gonna go. 3, 2, 1, nigga, I'm gone, nigga. He's gonna be, I'm gonna go.
But what if he goes to you?
Brakes, nigga.
So your verdict is that you're gonna smoke him, gap.
I smoke, fully gap. If I lose, I'm deleting this bitch. Alright?
This should never happen.
This is the part I'm gonna put. Alright, yeah, so I think we're gonna race. It's gonna be a good race, hopefully. I don't know. I don't care who wins, really. It's just an X3M that weighs like 5,000 pounds. Damn, that shit mad loud. 5,000 already. Yeah. What up, my heart? No plates on. Y'all know what we doing tonight. No plates on the R8.
Oh, he learned his lesson. You got front plates now?
Yeah. Yo, put this plate on. Fuck those plates. Why are you putting it on for? I need them to chase somebody. That is.
I said, look, think about it like this. You really want more to get caught up with. You gotta get more. You want that nigga to do that.
That's what I'm saying. You should take the charge first.
Nigga, they know me. They already know where I live.
That's perfect, nigga. I'll blame it on you.
Every day they give me a survey to fill out. Return, bro. Oh, lock down my face, bro. Stop recording.
Outside. You got regular plates on.
Fuck you, nigga.
Off camera. Off camera? What you about to think happened?
I gotta go home and take a shit.
Yeah, bro, but the inside. Yeah, what's the word? Vlog. Huh? Whoop-de. Everything dead, bro. Oh, word?
Stop the cap.
Oh, shit.
Damn, Mo, Yo, Mo.
He said everything dead.
Bro, if my check engine light doesn't pop on, we good, nigga. Let's go.
Do it. You want passenger or no passenger? You gonna have a passenger? If you gonna have a passenger, then I'll take a passenger.
No, if you want.
I don't have a passenger, but
I
want a passenger so they can record him in the back. Yo, what's that supposed to mean, bro? You about to get to work from an X3M, inshallah. Get a passenger in my car. Get that camera in my car and face it backwards, bro. Let's go.
No passenger. We're gonna go passenger.
You don't got a dash cam?
No.
Yo, just do 40
Okay, there's no dash cam.
Yo, 40
Wait,
what
what
you
you wanna...
Nah, that shit fire, y'all. You about to get to work though, inshallah.
Lights out.
No, it doesn't. You have custom tune and trans tune, bro.
I don't
I'm
have
just the
custom-
OTS,
I'm
man.
off the self stage 1 trans tune. Doesn't even make a difference.
I like you, man. You lie a lot.
Nigga, I weigh 4,800.
We could do both. I
Alright,
don't
we can do
care.
both. Fuck the fuck anyway.
Alright, shit gonna, y'all. I do this shit for fun, bro. Like, I don't give a
Alright,
fuck.
fuck we on.
I'm not one of
Wait,
these niggas that
so
go
you want
be
me and Jeff
cocky
to
and
be up front, up top?
Someone gotta be in
Nigga, as
front.
long as the police, me and Jeff gotta be in the front. We the slowest right now. We got another slow nigga. We gotta do this quick. Yeah, whole book to
Why you biting your nails, nigga? You never know.
Okay, I thought she was giving me the
Alright, y'all ready? Bismillah, bismillah, bismillah. Bismillah.
Throwing up 10K, nigga.
Brody, let me say an Islamic prayer for you real quick. Say inshallah, we be safe.
Nah, don't make me say some dumb shit.
No. Inshallah, we be safe.
Inshallah, we be
Like
safe.
God willing, we be safe, alright?
Inshallah, we be safe.
May God protect you. Do not. Yeah. Inshallah, we be safe, y'all. Yo, all I'm saying, if my mans lose, nigga, Rag go get my back up. Fuck you talking about? Hey, we in the R8 with it.
We in the Scully with it?
Hey, wait. How the fuck you open this shit, nigga?
It's under.
Oh, yeah. Nigga, how the fuck you open this?
Princess, the fuck I gotta open the door for you, nigga? I gotta open the door for a bitch.
Oh, shit. Alright, we in this, y'all.
Yo!
Stay far back.
Okay.
We have the same motor, yo.
Shut your ass up. Yeah, alright, fire. So,
Get flyer than this. Roll a dope, yeah, I'm high as a bitch. Wait, it's lit. Gave that little bitch a little tip. Now she wanna suck on the dick. She wanna catch all of the drip, drip, drip. Pull up and I'm loading the clip. New bitch, yeah, stay on my hip. Niggas talking, they not with this shit. Catch a body, you might just get hit. But lately been all about drip. New designer, just look at the fit. And I just blew a bag on my bitch. You got clout, but you don't got the drip. You get money, that's some type of myth. I can blind you, bitch, look at the wrist. For that bag, and I might take a risk. Don't get crushed, cause you care about a bitch. Pass the Henny, I'm tryna get lit. Tryna get out my body and shit. Fuck around and start bodying shit. Remember nights we was starving and shit. You my brother, I got you, that's it.
You ready? Yeah. Perfect. Perfect. That was perfect. That was perfect, bro. That was perfect.
hold on. Hey. This nigga Mo is a sellout, bro. Look at the battery.
Yo, imagine you gotta overdrive.
Yes, fuck it, bro. No, I don't want to record no more. Bitch, that's not a camera, man. This is not it, bro.
Are you done?
Wallahi, this is not it. Guys, I'm gonna be right back. Wallahi, Adim, I wasn't recording this whole fucking time, bro.
I told you, bro.
Are you Nah, I just stopped.
Stop.
Bitch, what the fuck is he talking about? Yo, hurry up, park your car. Let me park it. I can park it, please? Nigga, why you acting like I don't work in a dealer?
Oh, you do, right?
Yeah. Lining them up. Yo, Hasnan, come park.
My shit straight?
No, your shit is not straight. Nah, you good. Back up, go. Oh my god. Nah, I'm leaky as shit. Your front lip, right? Front lip? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Wait, you recorded the bunch with the camera?
Yeah, some of them. But it was bad, yo, it was bad, my nigga, since the battery is dying and nigga, why are we so far? We should have given the camera to Ahmed, bro.
Yo, watch out, there's like a little pothole. It's nothing crazy over there. Be careful.
I don't know how to drive this shit.
You're good, nigga, fuck that shit.
I don't know how to hit your shit.
Hey, so let's get a picture and go.
Back up, back up.